Hello, Mamuel here. Welcome to my vlog about what I brought to my Camino Primitivo de Santiago. Stay tuned if you want to get some tips and what to carry and what to leave at home. I got a bit injured in the shin, so today I take the chance to give some tips and go through the kit I actually brought with me, because before starting this journey I looked a lot on YouTube, you know, and I looked into forums and asking people what to carry, what not to carry. So I'm gonna give you my experience so far and what I needed, what I didn't need that much. So first of all, bags and shoes are the most important things you want to think about. So in terms of rucksack, I've got a 35 to 45 liters. It's the low alpine air zone. It's a really nice bag. It's light, you've got a lot of pockets, you can add things on the front, and you've got a front pocket as well, so you can get through stuff quite quickly without, you know, opening from the top and searching for stuff. So I'm really happy about that. You've got also a bit of space between the back and the back support, so you can breathe a bit more and sweat less. So I'm gonna go through what I brought with me and how I pack it as well, you know, in case it could help you. So as I'm a geek, bear in mind, don't judge me, I need to carry gear, like camera gear. I'm a videographer, that's what I love to do, it's my passion, so I don't mind carrying 2-3 kilos more. My bag when I got to the airport was 10 kilos 0.5, which is quite heavy. People recommend to get a bag when it's full, which is 1/10 of your actual weight. So I'm 70 kilos and the ideal bag would be 7 kilos for me. So I was already out of the range. Plus, if you need to get some food and water during the trips, it's gonna get to 12 kilos. Still, I could manage, but probably that's the reason why my shin got inflamed, because of the extra weight. Okay, let's start. I'll show you quickly, because I don't have much time, what I'm carrying. I'm recording on my GoPro attached to one of these sticks, first of all, but I will go through the geeky stuff later if you're interested, so check the link below. Okay, what I carry: GoPro right there with the case, the mic, and got a lot of batteries and gear. So I've got 5 batteries, tripod, and I've got earphones and some mounts, spare lens cover there, and the cards, and a small screwdriver, and this is the remote. Put them on the side pocket. Second side pocket, I've got mobile phone, wallet and cash all here. Couple of pens and pencils to write down your notes and memories all on the side. Charger for the phone. What I do first, I start from the bottom, and at the bottom I've got sleeping bag right here. It goes to, it's quite light, say 680 grams, and temperature wise it goes from 14 to 11 degrees Celsius. So for we are in September, yes, important things, I'm in September, so air is getting quite fresh, especially we're quite high now and in the evening. So, you know, depending on the season, you can build your rucksack in different ways. But this is for September season during the Camino de Santiago, okay? So sleeping bag down here, and then I put all my clothes in this pocket as well. So what I brought is long trousers, technical trousers with zips, so they can turn into shorts. One, socks, merino wool socks. I've got 3 pairs of those. Now I'll show you one. One is hanging and one I'm wearing it. 3 underwear and 3 t-shirts. Okay, so that's what everyone recommends in case you don't have time to dry one set or it's raining, so again it doesn't dry up and it's nice to have a spare because you don't want to walk with wet stuff on. All the clothing in here. So it's a really nice and big pocket. Stick everything in there and ready to go. Then let's start building from here. There I've got I start with a jacket, Decathlon technical jacket. It's rainproof and windproof. So what I do, I roll it up like that, like a sleeping bag. Here, at the bottom, done. Then, I forgot there was something in there. Then I brought some gaiters for the rain. My shoes are waterproof, Gore-Tex, but also if it rains you don't want the water to get into the shoe because you don't want to walk with wet feet. So the gaiters protects the top of the shoe, avoiding the water from going inside. Okay, and I use them actually a couple of days. They also keep your legs, your lower leg warm. If you know in the morning you start walking quite early and the air is quite fresh. So here we go. Basically, I'm putting to the bottom what I would presumably use less, and that's the jacket, gaiters in case of rain, because we've been lucky with the weather. And then I've got this front little bag where I can put my stuff, maybe just in the night, so I leave the bag in the room and I carry what's important to me. And inside I put a poncho for the rain. Again, it covers everything, it covers also the bag. Easy. With the gaiters you don't get wet, and that's what I need. That goes here. Okay. Then I've got flip-flops. That's something you want to get for the shower. Really light, Decathlon again, £2, you know, easy. Easy to dry as well. They take nothing to dry. Put in my Wi-Fi bag. Here we go. And that kind of separate these two parts, because now, here we go. Now I've got my toilet kit and bathroom. I'll show you. Here we go. All my stuff. So got this nice little case, and I've got one of those microfiber towel, really light, quick to dry, you insect go away. And I've got a bit of toilet paper just for emergencies, because you've got a lot of, you've got places where you can stop finding toilets, and that's just for, hey, when you're walking for 24 kilometers with no hats. You can use lifts, so it's survival mode. It's up to you, do what you want, but that's what you need. I've got a bit of soap. It's called soap of Marsiglia, we call it in Italy. It's the grandma soap. And with this one you wash clothes, you wash yourself, you wash hair, you wash everything. You don't need to carry any other things. It was quite big, squared and heavy, so 2 days ago I chopped it into 4 and I left the rest in the hostel for the other pilgrims. A bit of Vaseline for your feet, moisturizer for whatever you need. So remember to moisture your feet before going to bed, and when you wake up, to avoid blisters. My shoes are really good, I didn't get any so far. Anti-inflammatories, paracetamol, toothbrush and toothpaste, Voltaren, the cream, the pomade, because again, if you get some muscle inflamed as I did, it's perfect. Well, even though I don't feel any difference. Medicine, nail clippers, Swiss knife with all the different things. Never used it, so I wouldn't take it if it was you, because it's like 100 grams, 200 grams, not needed. Earplugs, really needed. So the hostels, as I said, you could sleep in dormitory with 20-30 people. I couldn't sleep the first 2 nights. That saved my life. And then I got this little bag for first aid, also I put a 3-meter string to hang my clothes in case all the one in the hostels are busy. 3 little pens and pins to hang stuff. A sewing kit as well, with literally 1 needle and thread. Compete for your calluses or blisters. I didn't need it. And a pair of scissors, small scissors, never used. So that's what I've got. I'm gonna close everything if I can manage to. And now I'm gonna close this section here. I'm gonna start to fill it from the top. 1, 2, and that goes up here. Okay. That's it. Just push everything inside. Sweet. 1 bandana. If it's windy and you're just wearing a t-shirt, you can use it as also as a head cover or whatever. I've got my with you hat right here. And this stuff I put in the top, handy. So if I need it, it's right here. I don't need to open the bag. And this stuff, brought my Bible. If you're, that's the only book I carry. If you're Christian, if you're not, it's a good book anyway. So you can learn a lot. Little one, portable, there. Passport and all your documents and cash. I got 400 euros for 2 weeks, because you spend more or less 20-30 euro a day, depends on your needs as well. That's when I'm on holiday, I don't care. So I have a budget, but if I have to spend 10 euros more, I don't mind. Sunglasses all here, handy as well, never used. And also all the electrical stuff, got another bag, so all the chargers, adapters, 1 head torch. I'm an idiot, I forgot the batteries at home, I can't use it. And if you have a phone with a torch, I don't think you need it unless you walk in the night. I would avoid it. This goes to the top. Being a geek, that's a thing I use the most. Now, you definitely don't need this. I do. So I prefer to have less toilet paper and use leaves, but these I need to have it. Okay? So I know, again, don't judge. And this is it's light, but when you walk for 8-10 hours a day, it gets heavy. Got 3 batteries, remote control, drone. It's probably 300. No, it's more. It's like a kilo. So you can definitely get to, I think, 8-7 kilos for your bag if you really don't care. Drone, I can either put it in the bag, but usually I keep it around the neck because I use it quite often and I can use it while I'm walking. So I just take it out, fly it. I don't need to put it in the bag. Okay, then sticks. I've got 2 of those. One it's under the GoPro, so I can't show it to you. And you've got this nice little string on the side and this clip at the bottom, so they're safe and steady. Thanks, Adrian, for letting me borrowing this stuff from you. And then, okay, other clothes. Bear in mind, this sweater, it's a technical sweater, it's a pile, it's quite warm. That's what I've been using all day, so definitely I recommend one of those. Small, easy to dry as well, and usually in the day that goes in the bag too. Okay, so that goes all in the bag. Tights goes in the bag. I've got an extra pair of shorts I'm using now, which is also a board shorts for swimming, and yeah, socks, underwear, another t-shirt. So for underwear you need 3 pairs of stuff and t-shirt as well. Only 1 pair of shoes. Many people recommend sandals. I'm not a sandal guy, I don't care. And these are like amazing. I mean, you can't even feel them anymore. These are Salomon X Ultra, the 2nd version. I tried the 3rd, didn't like it. Oh yeah, don't forget my with you hat. Check my sponsor down in the link below as well. Alright guys, that's the gear I got for my Camino de Santiago, Camino Primitivo in September season. everyone is different. You know, you need to go out, try your stuff, be aware of the temperature, just get information before you go, ask to people, but also make up your mind, because everyone has different opinion and they confuse you. So it's good to listen to you know, the comments, but again, it's your trip. All right, I hope you enjoy it. If you're going for Santiago, buon camino, and God bless. Speak in the next episode. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.